watch me elevate. I was born to win, I watch me elevate.
And what is up, world? I am back, and it is Evo time. So what are we doing today? Getting the bay ready to put the motor back. So, motivation, we have to sand everything down lightly, and then the spots that need to be primed, there's a couple spots. Hit it with some primer, let it dry, and set it up for paint, because we have booth time today. And when you have booth time, you gotta take advantage of it. So, I got a good surprise for you. We got a custom color that we're gonna be doing to this. So stay tuned. Managed to get in the booth. The crew helped me. Appreciate it. Got it all stripped down. Now time to tape up and start the spray. So the goal is to paint all this all the way up to here, cut it here, and inside here. That's my goal. And just like, and there we have it. All taped up, ready to go. All my pieces right here. Got my bolts. There we go. Let's put some. All right, world. Got a special treat for you guys. About to do an unveiling of the color. And the color for the Evo. So this is a special color right here. So what color is that? 2022 Porche GT3, they call it Ultraviolet. Pretty cool. It's like a cool looking purple. It's a solid color, no metallic, with a cool flip. That's the color we're going with this. The brand of choice is always Mipa. Really good paint line. I don't know where they're from, but you get this in Central Florida from a company called Color System Merino. So that's all we use over here. Mipa for our base coat, with the HB clear. That's our little combination. This is the color. This is what we're gonna be doing. So I got about 1.5 gallons. This is the half gallon. That's I'm gonna start with this, because I wanna use the full gallon on the outside. They're all mixed together. We mix both gallons together. So, same color. So here we go. How it turns into the color, because like it's like too diluted. And finally when you do it, like, you see how it fucking turns into that shit? Because before it was more dark. It's crazy. So, both coats are done. Almost time for clear. So let's do a full walk around on what went down. All right, all done. Let's go over what I did. Got 2 coats. I really do like this color. Way different than the green. The green that I painted last time was like a candy. There's a pain in the butt, painted silver, than all the candies. This one's easy. This is a solid color, no metallic, and it lays down like a primer almost, and it covers. So it covers a lot of stuff, so you don't have to prime. Cool color. There's all the little stuff, the bolts, and the front of the radiator support. So that's 2 coats of base. Now it's clear time. I would like to only put 1 coat of clear, but we're gonna do 2. We're gonna do 2. We're gonna do it right. So, all right, all done. Actually, pulled off all the paper. This is how it looks outside. Very glossy. So next step is door jams, trunk jams, and fuel jam. And then inside of the doors, under the hood, under the trunk, inside the fenders, and then set it up for paint. All right, so here we are. This is phase 2. Pull off all the doors, pulling everything out of the car, give it a nice clean so I don't have too much dust, because that's gonna mess me up. Although I'm taping inside here. More clean the better. Plus when doing the trunk, be a lot of open parts. So door jam time, trunk jams, and gas jam. And then next week is inside of the door jams, finish with the body work, and then paint the car. This is where we are right now. I apologize for that beeping, that car in reverse. What is up, world? We're gonna capture this in real time. We've been working real hard today. So we're getting the jams ready. All right, we are getting the jams ready to get painted. So we're doing door jams, gas jam, trunk jams. We're taping this all up. Engine bay is all done. Gonna redo the hinges because I missed a little spot, but it's okay. A lot of prep. Look at the inside to this thing. Everything all clean inside, bagged up. All the important stuff. Look at this pile of Evo stuff. It's organized, but it's everywhere. All in the office. We got parts everywhere. All right, and it is all taped up. Check this tape job out, because we gotta get the fumes in here for the trunk, although you don't see that, but it's all the metal, all the wires are put away. Had to keep the hinges because that holds a very good placement, so I don't want to lose that because that's a bitch to realign, and the doors are perfect. Then we had to do a little special trick because on the B pillar where you adjust the seat belt, you could see through, and I learned that with the green one. So we made a little trap door, and I have to base that first and then cover this up. It's not like there's anything in there, it's pretty much empty. And then I also garbage bag and zip tied everything, all the important parts. And this thing is ready. All right, first coat, all done. So, lays down good, like I said. Lays down like primer, and what I mean is like some paints are thin and they map when you go to bare metal. With this one it fills and you can stack it. Love this color. Thank you, Porche. So time to put a second coat on, get it ready for clear coat. Alright, second coat is complete. We're ready for clear coat. So, check it out. This color's weird. Once you put the clear coat, it comes alive. So let me show you. Because I got a cool light. It's called the sunlight gun. It's the sunlight. So it's like a paint matcher. So check this out. These are like different shades of sun. Sweet. So this color, when you clear, it turns like that. All right, on the clear. Wish me luck. First coat of clear, laid down really good. Let me show you guys something. So if you look into the clear, not too close where I hit it. If you look into the clear, you'll see little speckles, all right? Well, let me tell you, it's a hot day today, 89 degrees. That is a solvent pop. So that means the material is starting to bubble. So normally I'll give it like a 20-minute dry time. But what I'm gonna do is give it a little bit more to gas out and then give it a heavier coat. I could even go with a slower, what is it called? Activator or hardener. Let's call it an activator. So I go to slower, but I don't know. To put a slower, because I usually fast. I don't know. I'm just gonna get a little bit of time to gas out, give it a nice heavy coat. See what happens. Alright, all done. Second coat. Nice and glossy. That clear coat hard. Alright, so all done. Let's make a list. Alright, so engine bay done, door jams done. Now we're doing body work on the actual doors, and once the doors are at a point where we prime it, then I'm gonna jam the inside of the doors, under the hood, fenders, bumper, everything, and then put it on the car. But that is not the hard part. The hard part, this painting is the easy part. The hard part is here. I gotta put back the ABS pump and the lines that controls the all-wheel drive system. Now when this car was hit, this took a crush. ABS pump goes in that corner, so there's a line that goes to this wheel. So I believe this line's crushed and this brake line's crushed. So the hard part is locating that and putting it on there. So hopefully it's something that I could get from the dealer. I got a whole bunch of other Evo guys that part out Evos. Hopefully they have it lying around. It's moving, 2 weeks into it. So hopefully third week for inside the doors and the brake lines and put this motor back. So next week we're putting this motor back in and getting this thing running. So, and that's pretty much what's going on. Like the saying goes, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you watching all my vlogs and taking the time out of your day to watch what I got going on. So I'll see you on the next one, because I'm recording. We're gonna finish this bad boy. It's Ultraviolet / Barney Evo. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.